Hi there! Today we're making present cookies that are perfect to add to any celebration set. You will need a present-shaped cookie that's already been flooded with white icing and let dry for about 24 hours. Then you're going to pick a design and draw it onto your cookie with edible markers. I added strings for the ribbon using a red icing in a 15-second consistency. Then I piped 2 triangles for the bow and filled them in. After the bow dried for about 5 minutes, I piped the tails to the bow and used my scribe to shape them. I want to add some dimension to the bow, so I'm going to overpipe the top part. I'm going to be very careful not to press down too hard though, because the icing underneath is not yet completely dry. Then I'm going to attach a royal icing transfer in the shape of an ornament. See the link in my description for how to make those. And I'll add the center to our bow and our cookie is done. There's so many ways you can decorate present cookies. I hope you add them to your next celebration set. Thanks for watching.